Hang on. So hang on. This is you're now being recorded for my own security and your security of what you say. Because you've got to be very careful what you say, because obviously you're not experts in animal behaviour. You're here for animal protection, surely. You're not a dog trainer, are you?
I'm not a dog trainer.
Right, so is the vet a dog trainer?
The vet is a specialist in her field. Okay?
What do you mean? Hang on, specialist in her field of what? Medicine?
Okay, I'm not going to discuss this at length with you now, Cameron, because we've been giving...
You've come round here, and I could have pretended that you didn't come round here. I could have highlighted the fact, if I want to, it's my premises, I've let you on the premises, I've got nothing to hide. You've made a statement that a member of public has made a complaint. Right, I don't care about that. It bothers me that people think I abuse dogs. Right, that bothers me. No, hang on, you listen to me. You're on my premises, else you can leave. And I'm being polite with you.
No, to leave?
If you want to, off you go. But what I'm saying to you, I've let you into my premises. You've made a statement that a vet who is experienced in animal behaviour and what is acceptable and not acceptable.
That's right.
So the vet will say it's acceptable to use electric collar and give a dog pain. No, hang on, didn't say you said that. I asked you a simple question. Electric collar gives pain in this country, not Scotland, not Wales, this country. We are allowed to use electric collars on dogs.
Okay, well that's...
Hang on.
I don't agree with personally. But
well, I don't agree with personally. I don't agree with personally. But a vet's opinion on how I treat a dog is important to me. If she's qualified.
That's good.
If she's qualified.
Yeah, she is qualified.
Qualified in what? Animal behaviour?
Animal behaviour and as a veterinary surgeon.
What's the vet's name?
I'm not going to give you the vet's name at the moment because obviously you are recording and I do not know what you're going to do with that. I'm not putting...
I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with it. I'm not going to edit it in a nasty way.
Okay, but no...
But it's going on YouTube for people to realise what's acceptable and what's not acceptable.
Yeah, that's fine.
And if you're going to prosecute, then you need to prosecute.
I'm not saying that
I never said you did.
All I'm saying, just let me speak for a moment. All I'm saying is that obviously a member of public's been concerned about behaviour towards dogs. Okay, so they've contacted
Is this member of public local, or is she from Scotland?
I'm not allowed to divulge any details.
Because I've got a bunny boiler who's doing nothing but causing me trouble, and if this is all over that again...
Mr. Upton, if you just let me speak for a moment, and I'll just explain to you the situation. That's why we can't get into it in any detail at the moment, okay? Is obviously we've been contacted by a member of the public who's concerned about something that they've seen, okay? What we have to do is like to say, we aren't experts in animal behaviour and how animals feel pain, etc. So we have to show details that are shown to us to somebody who is an expert, which is what I've done in this case.
And your expert is a vet?
Yes, but expert is a vet.
Right.
Right, and a specialist in animal behaviour.
Ah, right, so she's a trainer?
She's a specialist in animal behaviour and she is a veterinary surgeon, okay.
Okay, and you won't name her?
No, not at this time.
Okay.
No, okay. She has stated that she believes that it's unreasonable and it may constitute an offence under the Animal Welfare Act, okay.
Right, okay.
Because of this, I need to ask you questions. I need to conduct an interview under caution. That is because I will be writing down any of the answers that you give to me. I'm legally obliged to do that under caution because it may be used as evidence if it is an offence, okay? So I need to arrange to do that with you a time that is convenient. Obviously you've got customers here.
I agree for you to visit my premises. I agree for you to look at any dog on this premises.
Okay,
I have not got anything to hide.
Okay.
When you came to you were at the gate, you might have heard me shouting at a dog. There was 2 young puppies having a scrap, and I just went in there. I actually went in there and I said, "Hey, be quiet, stop it."
Yeah.
So you know, if that's the case, but look how the dogs aren't barking.
Yeah. No.
Look at those 2 dogs there. Look.
Yeah.
Right. They were aggressive, nasty dogs. Right. I'm a Gundog trainer, and I train to a very high standard.
Okay,
do you honestly think that I would put videos on the internet if I thought I was doing something wrong?
What we need to do is...
Do you honestly think? A simple answer. Do you honestly think?
I don't know you.
Do you think I'm that sick?
Judgment. All we can do is look at.
I will have the interview with you, and you can have it under caution, if I can tape it, for my own protection. If not, you go and get the police. If that's what you can do. I'm willing to interview. You can interview me under caution, as long as I can tape it.
Okay.
Because for my own safety, of what is said is on tape.
Yeah, no, okay, that's absolutely fair comment. What I suggest we do then is we do the interview at a police station, just a voluntary tender.
At a police station?
Yeah, because we can use the facilities. It will be done on CD format, so you will have access to the interview. You'll be able to have access to the interview because you'll be able to have a copy, and therefore it's done all above board.
I will only come to a police station and do an interview if the police station says I can video it.
Okay. Yeah.
If they say I can video it, I will come voluntary to the police station. If not, you go and get a warrant, or whatever you have to do, because I don't want to be awkward with the RSPCA.
No.
I've had the RSPCA in 30 years round to me about 4 times.
Right,
They've come round. I've never been prosecuted. I've never had anything against me in court for cruelty for any animal, right? And so all these people saying this rubbish on the internet about me, it's a hate campaign, and the police know about it, and everybody knows about it.
No
so
problem.
You've come round, you've followed up the complaint that you've got to. I understand.
I'm following up just something that's been shown to me recently.
Totally understand.
You've got to look at everything on an
I totally understand,
basis,
and I think that people should be followed up on if people make complaints that are reasonably serious.
Is there a time that's, if I try and book an interview room, because they've got, we can either do it where it's just audio recorded on CD, but also videotaped as well. So if you wanted the whole thing taped, they'd be able to arrange for us to do that. That's not a problem.
No.
Is there a time?
Without fail, I'm not going into a police station without a recording that I can record, show my solicitor.
That's fine.
And show anybody if that's what you want to do. So are you saying that at this moment you want to press charges against me?
No, at the moment.
Hang on. And I need to know which video is the offence that committed by the vet or the videos. I need those videos made present to me before it goes to my solicitor to show everybody what your concerns are.
Okay, it's videos that you're already aware of because they're ones which you've posted on your own YouTube channel.
Hang on.
Okay.
I've got 800 videos. 800 videos on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
You can't be as vague as that.
No, I can.
You need to write you need to let me know
which ones they are.
Oh, here we go. So you do know what they are then?
Yeah.
Right, go on.
One of them is Gundog training using discipline at the right time in the dog's life.
Right.
Another one is called A Star in the Making.
Right.
And the third one is hunting with your dog, how to teach turning on the whistle.
Right.
Okay, so it's those 3.
Right.
All right. So
how to hunting with your dog, how to turn it on the whistle.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
What we need to do is, I will go and try. Is there a time?
Can I ask you a simple question?
Yeah.
You're the RSPCA.
I work for the RSPCA.
Yeah. Does electric collar give pain?
I would guess so, depending on the frequency of how high it's turned up.
Well, no, it doesn't matter how high it's turned up. It gives pain. Pain, it comes in different formats, in different levels.
There's a lot of different electric collars out there.
Hang on. Yeah, but I'm just saying, what is the criteria that the RSPCA will prosecute somebody if a dog is seen to be in pain?
If someone has caused any animal pain.
There you go. So anybody who puts electric collar on a dog and causes pain, technically you could be suing all those people.
Possibly.
Yeah.
It would depend on...
It's a joke.
It depends on what a veterinary surgeon would say.
I've had a veterinary surgeon look at the situation of the videos, and the veterinary surgeon, the vet has said, we don't like it, but it's not against the law.
Okay, well...
But that's because they caused chaos on my internet with one video.
Yeah.
Not 800. There's 800 videos on there, 35,000 views, and a few idiots. That's all it is.
Would there be a good time? What would be a good time later on this week or next week for us to arrange to do
next week? Not this week. Next week. I'm busy this week. Next week.
What time's good for you? What day? Any day, but Thursday's good for me.
Yeah. Well, I'll make myself available.
Yeah.
As much as possible. If you ring me.
Yeah.
Right. You've got my number?
No.
Okay, I'm going to switch this off now because I don't want to give the world my number because I've had death threats from idiots.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm going to switch this off and give you the number, but I've got nothing to hide.
Yeah, no problem.
And I will be using this, like I said to you, on YouTube if this isn't resolved in the right way. If it's not resolved in the right way.
Okay.